What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome to our Millionaires Fortunes Daily Market Updates. Josh here, and literally, this is the beginning of the week. Today, Monday, on the 22nd of January. Slowly but surely, we are approaching the end of January, and we very excited about what's happening in the market. So if this is your very first time to join us on our YouTube, just make sure you press on the subscribe button and you turn on the notification because we want you to always be notified whenever these videos are being uploaded, literally. And yeah, so we're gonna go through the economic calendar, as you know, on a Monday because we want to prepare and know exactly what's gonna happen on throughout the week, news and stuff. And right after that, we're just gonna transition to our MT4 to see what currency pairs are literally giving us a good setup. So with that being said, we're gonna start with our economic calendar. You can get this calendar on different platforms, also on our broker website, tdmarket.com. You can also have access to this economic calendar. So today, Monday, as you can see on Monday, we don't have that much of activities, okay? So we just have the ECB president, Christine Lagarde, who's going to do a speech around 4. And we're just gonna keep a close eyes, a very close eye on this specific news. It's gonna be around 4 p.m. today because it's all about the Euro zone basically. But overall, Monday will be a very technical day. Okay. So on Tuesday, we're gonna kick off with the JPY at 4:30 a.m., 4:30 in the morning. We've got the interest rate decision on the Japanese yen. This is very, very important for us because we trade some pairs with the Japanese yen. So we're gonna keep a close eye on JPY and of course on this specific news, which is the interest rate. That will be at 4:30 in the morning. 8:30, we've got a press conference from the Bank of Japan. We will also keep an eye on that, just to hear what they're gonna say and see how it's gonna affect the Japanese market. Okay. And of course, 11:45 p.m., we're gonna have the CPI quarter to quarter on the NZD. Okay, so we're gonna also keep an eye on that just to see how is that market gonna react. That's all for Tuesday. Okay, and now on Wednesday, we're gonna start with the ZAR. So whoever was trading the South African rand with us, on Wednesday, 10 a.m., we've got the CPI month to month. Very, very important. So we're going to keep an eye on that just to see how is the inflation here in South Africa. And yeah, so that will be at 10. And let's see, what else do we have, right? At 4:45, we've got the interest rates announced by the Bank of Canada. So the Canadian dollar would be affected by this news. Very, very big news. We're gonna wait and see how is the interest rate gonna come out. And of course, 5:30, we've got the crude oil stock change as usual, okay? And we'll keep an eye on that. It's actually in the American market. We'll keep an eye on that. That's all for Wednesday. So on Wednesday, we've got literally 3 news. We've got the CPI on the South African rand. We've got the interest rate decision on the CAD. We've got the crude oil stock change, and that's all. On Thursday, let's see, what do we have on Thursday? Let's see on Thursday. Yeah, so on Thursday, 3 p.m., we've got the interest rates announced by the South African Reserve Bank. So on Thursday at 3 p.m., very, very big announcement as well. So we're gonna keep an eye on this one as well. Okay, that's on Thursday, 3 p.m. 3:15 the same day. We've got literally the interest rates coming from the European Central Bank. So the whole Eurozone will be affected by this news here. Very, very important. Thursday, 3:15, we're going to have the interest rate on the European zone. And 30 minutes later, we've got a press conference coming from the ECB. Okay, so we're going to keep an eye on that because it's very, very important for us to know what's being said in that press conference. And of course, 5:15, we've got Christine Lagarde, who's the president of the European Central Bank, who's going to do another speech. So we can also keep an eye on that just to see and listen what she is going to say, literally. And right after that, okay, right after that at 6 the same day, we've got another speech coming from Christine Lagarde. Okay, so Thursday will be a day with quite a lot of news. So we're just gonna pay attention and combine our technical analysis with our fundamental analysis and come up to literally a decision. On Friday, which is the last day of the week, let's see, what do we have on Friday? So far, nothing. Let's see. So don't forget to, of course, subscribe on our brand new YouTube channel, the English brand new channel. We're very excited about that. At 5 p.m. on Friday, we've got the pending home sales. And not that much, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. And yeah, that's all for Friday. Looks like Friday will be a quiet day. And yeah, so that's all for this entire week. We've got quite a few announcements, like different interest rates. We've got the CPI on the South African rand. We've got some speech here and there. So we're just going to keep a close eye on different news. So with that being said, we're now going to transition on our MT4 to see, of course, what pairs, what are we going to do, what pairs giving us some good steps setup, and what pairs are we going to focus on this week. So basically today, Monday, we are going to focus on 4 pairs, okay? Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD CAD, and of course, Eurocad. And those are the first 4 pairs, okay? Mind my word, first 4 pairs, because we might add more as we moving throughout the week, okay? So with the Euro USD, we've been speaking about this pair since last week. What do we see? Remember, we said that we had an impulsive move there, okay? Currently, I'm on a daily, okay? And we had this retracement, and after that, we had, of course, this. So you will see that we're literally having a cycle here, which we're looking for in the market, okay? And now the price is going down and down and down. But bear with me here. You will see, if you pay close attention right here, you're gonna see that we having an expanding triangle. Okay, an expanding triangle. If I transition to my H4, it's gonna be even much more clearer. Okay, so we had this impulsive move. Okay, we had this impulsive move, and of course, we now had our very first wave in the retracement, our second one, and our third one. So what's going to happen here? We're still looking for a buy, right? But we might have a little bit of a push downward here, okay? Why am I saying this? Look at how the market is moving here in our correction. It gave us an impulsive move, gave us a little correction here, right? And then gave us another impulsive move, and what's going to happen, we definitely going to have another correction here. So it's we're likely to have a little bit of a push downward here before the price picks up again to go up. So this is Euro USD. We're just going to keep a close eye on it and see what's going to happen, okay? And then we've got GBP USD. We've got GBP USD. What's happening? What's happening with GBP USD? GBP USD, very much like Euro USD. Okay, we have an impulsive move here. Okay, and we basically having this correction here, right? So I want you to pay close attention to the GBP USD here, right? So we had our very first impulsive, the second one, okay? And of course, the third one here, just don't mind this one here, okay? So we can have this one as it created a brand new low in the correction. So you will see here, we had a very impulsive move, okay? And look how the market went up. It literally went up, right? And after that, it started to create a structure, basically. It started to create like a structure, kind of like a structure here, okay? And we most likely, when you see something like this, we most likely to have what? To have a move to the downside, okay? Exactly like Euro USD, we might have this move to the downside before the market goes up again. So we're gonna use this impulsive move here as our bearish impulsive move, okay? Our bearish impulsive move, and then the market retraced. And when we put our Fibonacci, you'll see that the market is still in our Fib zone, okay? So what's gonna happen, we might take a sell on short term, okay? And the moment the market comes and creates a new low here, then we'll try to anticipate now buy, okay? So this is GBP USD. Two more pairs to go, Audcad, okay? Audcad and Eurocad. So we've got Audcad. Audcad. So Audcad, very simple. I'm on a daily. We have this bearish channel, okay? And from this bearish channel, we had a break. Okay, as you can see, we had this break here, impulsive break. And of course, we're having this correction right here. So the market is still creating that new low right there. When I go to my H4, let's see what's our H4 is giving us. Yeah, so the market is still basically like trading down here on this level of support. Let's go back to the daily to see the level of support. You see this level of support, the market is still trading. It's still basically rejecting this zone of support. Okay. And yeah, so from here, what's going to happen? We're expecting the market to push up. Let's see how the market is going to react here. We might have something like this, a little correction, okay, to give us maybe this correction here, like a small correction before the price goes down again, creates a little bit of a new low, and then from there it goes up. It's a probability, but we're just going to keep an eye on this and see how it's going to react, okay?